Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to reorder clips on the timeline here in the Edits app. All right, it is actually pretty easy to do. Let's say, for example, that these videos right here, I wanted it to be the first videos that will play. All right, so what we're going to do. So first up, just go ahead and tap on the video itself. Now go ahead and tap and hold. All right, and as you can see, when you tap and hold, don't release, as you will need to drag it. Okay, drag the video right here at the very first. Okay, now another one. This video right here, I'm going to tap on it, tap and hold, and drag it to the second. Okay, just like that. Now, as you might notice, these text right here comes along with the clip that is in line with the particular clip. Okay, now for example, family, this photo of my siblings and aunt right here. I'm going to tap on it. Remember, family. I'm going to go ahead and move it to the first line or the first seconds of the video. Tap and hold. Going to move it. There you have it. As you can see, family or the text is carried as well. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.